Hey everyone, we've got Alice here this morning, and Alice is actually going to have a treatment for Alice. So, I thought, what a concept! So, lots of dizziness and just feeling off at the moment, and on several medications. So I just want to check in relation to pharmaceutical toxins and make sure that Alice is getting the best out of the medications and that sort of thing. But also I'll check toxins from the environment as well, so environmental toxins, so stuff we breathe in, because that can be messing with us. Just tapping just releases bone memory. How's your back been lately? Sore. Okay.
Neck is sore.
Let's have a look at that little atlas. Oh yeah, is that tight?
Mm.
Oh, and there as well?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. I just realised something I haven't checked, and I might check it when I turn you over, is the anterior atlas. Because, you know, that's equally sore on both sides, which could indicate that it's jutting forward too far.
Mm-hmm.
So we might need to, you know, do a little shimmy back into place.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be interesting to see. Okay. So in relation to any and all medication toxins, and hold up for me.
Mm.
No. Any and all medication toxins. Any and all medication toxins. Any and all medication toxins. And hold. Any and all environmental toxins. Any and all environmental toxins. Yeah, right. Any and all environmental toxins. Any and all environmental toxins. And hold. Okay, pain hormones. Pain hormones. Hold.
Mm. Sorry.
No, pain hormones. Pain hormones. Okay, stress hormones. Stress hormones. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. Stress hormones. Stress hormones. And hold. Okay. Okay. So let's just ask in relation to fear of being unwell. Fear of being unwell. Fear of being unwell. Not as bad as some of the others.
Mm.
Fear of being unwell. Because when you get unwell, you get really unwell.
Mm.
Fear of being unwell. And hold. Okay. And just let's ask in relation to any and all stress around your mum. Any and all stress and trauma around your mum. Any and all stress and trauma around your mum. Because that probably hasn't been helping given the week she's had.
Mm.
Given the 2 years she's had.
Mm. The other stress for me would be depending sentiment of the world.
Okay. So any and all stress around your mum. And hold. Yeah. And here in Australia the laws are changing with getting money from the government. So I'm just going to ask in relation to any and all trauma around changing laws for Centrelink. Any and all stress and trauma around government laws. And hold. Oh yeah, nothing there. Any and all stress and trauma around changing government laws. Any and all stress and trauma around changing government laws. Hold. Okay. Yeah, it sounds sort of untenable. It sounds like it's almost impossible to make that function.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, let's check your centering mechanisms. For your sitting bones, hold. Funny. They're okay. Let's check your centering mechanisms for your head on your shoulders. Yeah, and hold. Okay, they're not happy.
Much apart, it's not real well.
Yeah, eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Okay. Labyrinthine reflex points. And hold. Beautiful. Now let's check with the sitting bones. And hold. Oh, yeah, right. So now they're not working. Okay. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. And hold. It's a bit cold this morning. Chuck a blankie on your lower half. Okay. Okay. Let's check the tailbone. And hold. No, once again, not as bad as some other bits, but that's all about that compression. Okay, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. And hold. Now with the sphenoid bone. And hold. Yeah, okay. Because you're feeling quite tight with your eyes, aren't you? Yeah. So that's all compressing, you know, across there, but also here. So it's like there's that compression in both directions. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Okay. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma, in relation to stress, in relation to trauma. And hold. Beautiful. Now going down to the jaw. And hold. Once again, not so bad, but it's still not 100%. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma, in relation to stress, in relation to trauma. And hold. Beautiful. Okay, so now I might do the tail because they were all out a little bit. I'll do the jaw plus the sphenoid, jaw plus the sphenoid plus C3. So the whole kit and caboodle around the spinal cord. Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. Okay, so eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open.
That's full.
In here?
No, down the bottom.
The tailbone. Okay. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open.
Oh, on that side.
Okay. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. So now spinal respiratory fault. And hold. Okay. Okay, and hold. relation to stress and trauma. Hold. Yeah, okay. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Oh, it disappears, you know, it's just totally different depending on the question. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. Okay, stress and trauma, beautiful. Okay, now cardiac back and hold. So, you know, there's different bits of the spine that connect to different bits. So, sacral occipital therapy is talking about the sacrum and the occiput together. So when your sacrum is jammed, it can impact on the nerves going to your heart. So it's called cardiac back because if that unlocks, it can just be a sign that down the track, that impact can impact on your heart and cardiovascular system. So just about loosening it up. And luckily you do plenty of exercise, you know, keep your heart going. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. In relation to stress, in relation to trauma. 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 And again, hold, beautiful. Okay, I'll just throw some Bowen technique moves up the spine, just sort of shimmy that fascia. It's sore in there, yeah. These are like little stoppers between different bits of the sacrospinalis, and the little stoppers are basically getting the little bits of musculature to go rather than having like a big mass of inflammation. Okay, breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. Again, breathe in and out. So in there's the junction of about 5 different muscle groups.
When you finish there, that it's like electricity just moves away from that spot.
Oh, perfect. Breathe in and out.
Yeah, tingles.
Nice. Getting the blood supply moving, or some nerve energy. Okay. So, oh, that's right, scoliosis and right side. And hold. Left side. Hold. No, okay, good. It's not there. Okay, time to turn over.